Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Alicia, and today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my garden that I have. I do grow fruits and vegetables, so I figured I would share that with you guys. Okay, so the first fruit that I'm going to be sharing with you guys is my blueberry plant. So this is my blueberry plant. I just got it back in November. As you can see, there are blueberries on there that are starting to form. They're not ripe yet because clearly they're not blue, but there's a lot of them. All right, so this is the second plant that I have. As you can see, they are Roma tomatoes, so they don't grow that big. I have about about 17 tomatoes right now, and I will give you a look at it. All right, so the tomato will start off as a flower and then it will grow. As you can see, here's a baby one right here, and then it will get bigger, and when it starts to ripe it has this orange looking color, and then when it's fully ripe you'll get that nice red color. So as you can see, I do have several tomatoes throughout this plant. Now, because my tomato plant has grown so tall, I do have this cage around it to help the plant stand straight. That way it doesn't fall over. Okay, so this next plant that I have is a bell pepper plant, actually. I know you can't see all of it right now, but I'll show you close up. All right, so the bell pepper does start off as a flower. As you can see, there's the flower right there. And then eventually it tends to look like this right here. You see that brown area? The bell pepper will begin to grow out of that, and the brown thing is just the flower dying off. So eventually the bell pepper will grow. As you can see, here's a bell pepper right here. I do have a few different ones throughout the plant. And here's a fun fact: if you didn't know, that a green bell pepper, if you leave it to ripen, it does turn red. So if I leave these on here long enough, eventually they will turn red. So this is my strawberry plant. Right now I have some strawberries coming in. So they aren't ripe right now, but I will place a photo above so you can see what my plant looked like before. I did have one ripe strawberry on there, and I did a little bit of cleaning up of the plant because there were a lot of dead stems on here. So the picture, you could see that, but this is an updated version of what it looks like now. So I will have some more strawberries coming in shortly. So I got this pack of onion seeds from the supermarket. I do have one onion growing. Of course you can't see it because it does grow underground. So eventually I will dig it up when I see the onion come up above the ground a little bit. It's not too deep down. I believe I only planted it a few inches down. All right, so I have this grape plant. I just got it last week. I haven't transferred it yet. So what I'm gonna do is show you the process of how I do my planting. So I have this pot. I got it from Walmart. We're gonna fill it up with soil and then put the grape plant in it. All right, so this is the soil that I use. It's for flowers and vegetables. So I'm gonna pour this into the pot that I just showed you. And then we'll also add some of this shake and feed. Got the gloves on. Add in the shake and feed. So this is what it looks like. And then I like to mix it up and then add some more soil. Okay, so since the plant is about that big, this is how I want it to be when it's in the pot. So I'm going to push it out and put it into this pot. All right, so we got it all out in one piece. And I'm gonna shake it up at the roots. That way it can grow into the new dirt that I'm gonna add on to it. So this is it now, and I'm gonna finish adding more dirt. So this is the final product. All right, you guys, so that is a wrap on my garden video. I hope I inspired you guys to maybe start a garden of your own. In the comments, drop below some of your favorite fruits and vegetables, and maybe another plant that you think I should try adding in addition to the other things that I have in my garden. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. stay tuned for the next video.